Greetings traders, today is 9 of June 2020. We are on live trading for Mini S&P futures indexes US for US session. So this is day trading based from my setup for US session. From my Telegram channel, if you can see, we did receive one short sell signal just now, about 5 minutes ago, and order already been filled to short the market at 3191.75 and targeted TP around 7 points or 10 points targeted on the downward movement. So based from the current situation, market a little bit choppy, but still we have to wait, and hopefully everything will have a clear direction later on. Alright, so for yesterday, it was a good profit, 16 points on the buy long position. There's no video recording for this one, but later, because I have some difficulties yesterday for this trade, so but it was a live trade and most of you managed to secure the profit. As for today, the target is to short sell the market, so let's wait and see. So let's go back to the chart to see the current situation. So looks like we are on the negative. So I did enter micro account today because I also went for Russell 2000 to check on a few things. Based from the current situation, we are minus 42 US dollar. Time now is 10:04 a.m. in the morning New York time, and for Chicago time is 9:04 early in the morning. So it was not good. Our stop loss is somewhere here at 31.99. So this is all based from our live Telegram channel. Hopefully things will have a good indication for us to go for the short sell position. Please watch this video to the end. Maybe there's a link in below in the description, might be helpful for you guys. And also watch all the video in my channel for E Mini S&P futures 500. Alright, we'll pause this video, and once hit the targeted price level, then we'll resume back later on. Alright traders, resume back again, but it seems like Russell 2000 make a bigger move compared to the Mini S&P. So based from the current situation, looks like hopefully S&P 500 will not reverse back, but there's a strong bearish for Russell 1000, and it almost reaching the support for today, or maybe halfway into it. But for Mini S&P, they still not yet break today's low, which is not far. Edge is at 31.90 and our entry is 31.91, so about 1 point. So the current situation 4 points above the today's low. So let me change into so still rating. Okay, our entry is around 31.91.25. Okay, looks good at this moment. So we are about break even. And okay, for Russell, you can see over here the move is stronger compared to Mini S&P. I'm not sure why, but for Mini S&P, we just on the positive direction. There's a large volume waiting here at 31.90, which is around 300, so which is a good indication that the market will go further down, perhaps. So let's be aware of the reversal. Hopefully the market will keep pushing a downward movement, so based from today's trend, which is the bearish movement. So this trade gonna take some time, so we'll pause this video, try to not to make this video longer. As for now, we'll pause this video and resume later on. Alright traders, we resume back again. So based from current situation, we did hit the stop. So I've mentioned in my live Telegram channel, this was yep, it was a loss trade. We hit stop and we lost on this one about 8 points to the 8 points, yep, about 8 points to the entry level. So losses on this one. Okay, so back to the chart, and so you can see that the current situation, the market keep try to make a sharp pullback, although this hardly try to break through the lowest of the today. Maybe perhaps later it will create another low, or maybe create another a pullback towards this 32.13. But as for now, we are done, and let's wait for the second signal, if any. and we'll keep informed through the live Telegram channel. Please stay tuned. Alright traders, resume back again. So based from the current situation, we have encountered both signal with losses. The first one about 8 points, and second one is 12 points. So this is based from my live Telegram channel. So based from my live Telegram channel, both hit the stop. This is the second signal, hit stop. The first one also hit stop. So it was very bad day trading day. So it's a part of trading. We have a good winning streak since past few weeks. This is quite unfortunate day, and market also still moving on the sideways move on the larger range compared to the London session, which is more which is a more bearish movement. So now during the US session, try to make a consolidation, but in terms of a bigger range, a smaller range you can see over here, then becomes bigger and bigger. So it was a good support over here. Maybe tomorrow we'll have a good short sell position, maybe during Asia session. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and any question please write in the comment. Thank you. Bye bye.